And so it says 3, 2, 1, go. And once that happens, you know you're recording. The other way you know is that the lines around your screen here have turned to red instead of black. And then all you do from here is you just do your show. So I have to set mine up a little bit differently. And we want to play from current slide or play from the start. And here we go. And here's my presentation. The nutrient that I chose is vitamin A. And I am Mrs. Wright, and today is October 15th. I chose vitamin A because, and then go through and explain why. And then again, on each one of these screens, you have the roles of the nutrient in the body, and then tell us. And so you just continue to go through each one of these slides explaining to us about your particular nutrient. And that's it. When you're done, up here you click pause